Welcome to Piano Lessons again with Emmy John. Today we're going to be looking at the key of C. Okay, good. So I've been having a lot of guys making my stuff so far, and it's been fun though. So today we're going to be looking at ear training guide. So I think I got somebody who asked me a question last week, asking me, "So please, can you do a breakdown of ear training? How to find the key of a song?" So I wanted to look at ear training, and officially I'm preparing a course on ear training just for beginners only. So if there are people who are struggling with how to hear the key of song, officially I have a training already out on that. So that's basically that. That's one. Then number two, officially on YouTube, congrats to us. We are 29,000 plus subscribers, and I give all the glory to God. I think that was last year. We were over, I think, 16 to 15,000. And glory to God, this year we are 29,000 just yesterday. And that's crazy. And it keeps getting better and keep growing. To all those following me, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you. Without you, it will not be possible. If you are following on Facebook, YouTube, Thread, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms, I want to say a very big thank you. Keep sharing my videos. Keep subscribing. Keep following for more. Now, today, without wasting some more time, I would like us to look at the course for today, ear training. How do I find the key of a song? Let's pick a very simple song. So the key now is what? How do we find the key of that song? I've done a breakdown of whereby I can use a note to find the key, but I'm going to make this one very slowly. So let's pick a note. So I was singing So the key should be So as a beginner, what are stuffs you should look out for? That's what I want to talk about in this today's video. Now, what is ear training first? Is the ability to hear the elements in